Hello and welcome to our in-depth review of HeyGen. We have been using HeyGen for almost a year, and in this guide, we're going to share our experience-based HeyGen review, what we like about HeyGen, what we don't like about HeyGen, HeyGen features, and finally, we will show you how we use HeyGen to create videos with AI Video Generator. In recent years, video has become a leading content format for both educational and marketing purposes, reaching 92.3% of the global audience. However, creating video content can be time-consuming and costly. AI video generators like HeyGen are revolutionizing this process, saving time and money. Let's dive into the HeyGen review to see if it's the right choice for scaling your video production. What is HeyGen AI? HeyGen is an AI video generator software that helps you effortlessly produce quality videos with AI-generated avatars and voices. Because HeyGen is an AI-based video generator, it dramatically saves you lots of time and budget, which you have to spend on manual video shooting and editing. What we used before and why we switched to HeyGen. Before HeyGen, we were manually creating and editing videos for our company, which obviously consumes lots of manpower hours and as well as budget. I attended a high-level summit in 2023 and heard from Bill Jean's keynote presentation about how we can use AI platforms like HeyGen to speed up our video production process. Then we started exploring HeyGen, and finally we ended up signing up for HeyGen's yearly business plan, now called Team Plan, because with yearly plans we can save some money as compared to the monthly plans. You can get started with one of HeyGen's plans by using my affiliate link provided in the description. Here are our top 3 reasons for choosing HeyGen AI Video Generator. Saves time. As the CEO, I'm the primary representative for our company's educational and promotional video content. However, my schedule doesn't allow me to personally record every video. HeyGen offers a perfect solution by enabling my team to create custom avatars and voices for me. Hey Benjamin Kepner, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. Pretty impressive. Budget friendly. With a limited budget for video production, especially for our marketing courses that each include at least 20 video lessons, manual creation would be too costly. Feature-rich. HeyGen stands out for its ability to create unique custom avatars. Additionally, we frequently use the video translation feature to convert our entire Go High Level English course to Spanish, effectively reaching a broader audience.
Soy Benjamin Kepner, director ejecutivo de cursos de Suite y marketing de redes sociales globales y socio de High Level.
HeyGen AI Review 2024 Key Features 1. 100 plus pre-generated AI avatars. HeyGen provides access to a library of over 100 premium AI avatars of various ethnicities, ages, poses, and outfits. We currently have 114 avatars available for our projects. HeyGen offers 3 types of avatars: instant avatars, photo avatars, and studio avatars, making it ideal for those who prefer not to appear on camera.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
2. Create custom AI avatars. HeyGen allows for the creation of custom avatars, addressing concerns about legal issues and the risk of other businesses using the same avatars. This feature enables you to create a unique avatar tailored to your needs. Record yourself once to create a custom avatar, and HeyGen will use it to automatically generate videos. The Instant Avatar feature lets you create a digital twin from a recording of yourself. After creation, generate videos by providing a script and selecting your avatar, avoiding the need for new footage, ideal for marketing, sales, and educational videos. Each HeyGen plan limits the number of instant avatars you can create. For instance, the team plan allows up to 3. We use my instant avatar for most videos, saving me as CEO from recording each one personally. How to create an instant avatar in HeyGen. Creating a custom avatar in HeyGen is straightforward. Upload your video footage and give consent for its use. Follow HeyGen's guidelines precisely for high-quality results. Submit at least 2 minutes of footage. Use a high-resolution camera. Record in a well-lit, quiet environment. Look directly into the camera. Pause between each sentence with your mouth closed. Use generic gestures and keep hands below your chest. Things to avoid. stitches or cuts in your footage, talking without pauses, changing positions while recording, loud background noise, shadows and overexposure on your face, diverting your gaze or looking around, hand gestures above the chest. Tips: feel free to talk about any topic in the language of your choice. Just relax, be yourself, look into the camera, and HeyGen will take care of the rest. This image shows generic gestures suitable for video recording. For optimal results, record yourself in a medium close-up or close-up shot with hands below chest level to prevent the program from animating your hands. After uploading, it may take up to 5 minutes to prepare your avatar. Once ready, you can reuse this avatar for all videos by providing the script or voiceover and selecting the instant avatar. Go ahead and make sure to check how AI makes your twin. Create a talking photo with a photo avatar. HeyGen allows you to animate any photo with text, ideal for creative content. While we mainly use the instant avatar for courses and marketing, the photo avatar is great for social media. From the dashboard, select the photo avatar option. Upload the image you want to animate. Your photo avatar will be ready in seconds. There is no limit to creating photo avatars, even with a basic HeyGen plan. Choose your preferred video format, horizontal or vertical. Use the AI video generator to pick your photo, apply templates, add text and voice, and customize elements. Review the script for correct pronunciation, submit your video, which will be ready to share in minutes. With the HeyGen AI video generator, you can create high-quality studio avatars ideal for learning and development. To create a studio avatar, record 2 videos, a consent statement and the official footage. Follow HeyGen's guidelines closely for best quality. You can choose from the available 4K resolution avatars in the public avatar section. You can even personalize your Avatar Pro with unique outfits using prompts. Just choose one of the available avatars and provide a description of the clothing style you'd like to create. In less than a minute, you'll have the outfit you were looking for. HeyGen offers over 300 public AI voices in 40+ languages. Convert your script into a professional voiceover in minutes. Filter voices by language, gender, age, and function to find the perfect match. HeyGen allows you to clone your voice for all future videos. We cloned my voice from my instant avatar, enabling video creation without new recordings. This feature supports 25+ languages, making multilingual content easy. We recorded my voice in English and generated videos in Spanish using HeyGen's voice cloning. Hola, soy Benjamín Kepner, CEO de Sweet Courses. ¿Estás disfrutando de mi español? My Spanish is great now, but let's move on. Generate scripts with HeyGen AI Scriptwriter. Scriptwriting can be challenging, but HeyGen's AI Scriptwriter simplifies the process. Enter your topic, provide the topic or a relevant link. Select language and tone. Add details. Provide additional information for customization. HeyGen's AI writer generates scripts quickly, though it might need minor edits for specific needs. For highly tailored scripts, consider using ChatGPT alongside HeyGen. Translate your videos into multiple languages. Creating multilingual videos is challenging, but HeyGen's translation feature simplifies it. With one click, you can translate videos into 40+ languages. How to translate videos in HeyGen. Upload your video or provide the Google Drive or YouTube URL. Choose the target language. Click the translation button. We're translating our Go High Level Mastery course from English to Spanish using HeyGen. While the process is easy, always proofread the translated script for accuracy. HeyGen also offers advanced proofreading and voice customization in their enterprise plan. 公開アバターセクションで利用可能な 4K 解像度のアバターから選択できます。I'm not exactly sure what I said, but HeyGen should have it. Pros and cons of HeyGen. Pros: time saving. AI-powered avatars and voices streamline video creation by eliminating the need for new footage. Budget-friendly. Reduces costs associated with traditional video production by eliminating studios, equipment, and manpower expenses. Efficient production. Accelerates video production and editing processes, enabling increased content output with minimal effort. Easy management. Simplifies project and team management through a unified dashboard. Avatar customization. Allows creation of custom AI avatars and voices, enhancing brand representation. Feature-rich. Includes video translation, AI script writing, pre-built templates, and voice cloning capabilities. Customer support. Provides live chat, dedicated management, secure data storage, and 24/7 call support for enterprise users. Limitations of HeyGen. No video preview. Only audio previews are available before final submission, requiring credits to view the complete video. Lack of personal touch. AI avatars may not replicate human gestures or facial expressions fully, reducing lifelike appearance. Voice quality. AI-generated voices might lack the natural tone and nuances of human speech, affecting video authenticity. HeyGen offers powerful AI video creation capabilities, but has areas that could benefit from improvement. Let's see how we use HeyGen AI Video Generator to create videos. Step 1. Navigate to the Create Video button on your HeyGen dashboard. Select your preferred video size format, landscape for long form or portrait for short content. Optionally, utilize the AI Scriptwriter or import PPT PDF files. In this example, we'll manually add the script. Step 2. Pick an avatar. You can select from your custom avatars or use public ones. For this example, we chose my custom avatar. Step 3. Add the script. Add your script by typing or pasting it into the text section. Dragging an audio file, or recording directly. You can refine the script using ChatGPT for advanced prompts and conditions. HeyGen also offers a translation feature to convert scripts into other languages. Step 4. Customize the video. Enhance your video with text, elements like frames, stickers, icons, and images, transitions, layers, and avatar positions. Step 5. Review and adjust script. Listen to the AI-generated voice for correct pronunciation. Use the clock icon to add pauses for natural flow. Refer to the production guide for further script refinement. Step 6. Submit your video. Click Submit when satisfied. HeyGen processes your video, typically taking a few minutes. You'll receive a notification once it's ready for download. HeyGen plans and pricing. HeyGen offers 4 different plans to suit your needs. Free plan. This plan is completely free, providing 3 videos per month up to 3 minutes in length. It's ideal for trying out HeyGen, but for regular video production, a paid plan is necessary. Creator plan. The Creator plan costs $24 a month if paid yearly, or $29 a month if paid monthly. It has additional features such as fast video processing, 3 instant avatars, premium videos, and auto captioning. This plan is suitable for standard video production needs. You can now create unlimited videos up to 5 minutes in length. Team plan. Our company uses this plan. It costs $69 a month with a yearly payment or $89 a month if paid monthly. This plan includes advanced features such as adding 3 team members, unlimited video generation up to 60 minutes, high priority video processing, brand kit integration, logo and colors, and 4K resolution avatars. Enterprise plan. For higher usage needs and private studio avatars for high quality videos, the Enterprise plan is available. You need to contact HeyGen's sales team for customized pricing. This plan includes advanced features such as studio avatars, generative outfits, highest priority, API access, and dedicated support. For a detailed comparison of these plans, visit the HeyGen plans and pricing page to decide which plan best suits your needs. Final thoughts on HeyGen review. We all know that even for creating a 1-minute video, you need to spend multiple hours. Getting ready for the shoot, choosing a perfect studio. Then take multiple shots to create one successful shot, then edit, polish, and after that 1-minute video gets ready. But behind the scenes, it took you multiple hours. So this is the number 1 problem that HeyGen is solving. You don't need to worry about getting ready, choosing studios, taking uptake shots, or additional hours of hard editing. HeyGen comes with AI-powered custom avatars and voice features for you to get time back. HeyGen is a perfect AI video generator tool if you're on a tight budget and want to speed up the video production process. At our company, we're not at a stage to spend thousands of dollars on manual video production, but as we want to grow, we know that we need the video production system for creating courses and marketing as well. So, at this point, HeyGen is the perfect option for us. Is HeyGen the perfect AI voice and video generator? No doubt. HeyGen is perfect and comes with lots of AI features that can save you thousands of dollars. But we think solely depending on HeyGen for video production is not right. Use it to automate specific parts of your video production, but keep talented humans involved in the process to make sure everything is correct. Because AI can still make some mistakes right now. At our company, we do use HeyGen for video production, but keep our team involved in it. Our scriptwriters use AI features to generate scripts, but they further review and edit content to make sure scripts have the right and authentic content. Our video editor uses HeyGen to create videos with instant avatar and voice cloning features and also translate videos from English to Spanish. But he keeps reviewing and editing videos manually when required to make sure our video content is top-notch. Lastly, I review every video and ensure that we produce the best video quality content we can with our correct branding and legal protections in place. In a nutshell, use HeyGen to speed up video production, but keep you or your team involved to make sure everything is correct. Thanks for joining us for this in-depth look at HeyGen. We hope our review has given you a clear understanding of the platform's capabilities and how it can revolutionize your video production process. Whether you're looking to save time, reduce costs, or leverage advanced AI features, HeyGen offers a powerful solution. Just a reminder, you can get started with one of HeyGen's plans by clicking on my affiliate link in the description. You won't pay any extra, but it will help us create more content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Don't forget to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with HeyGen or answer any questions you have. Until next time, happy video creating.